What up, what up, what up? We up in here. So, hey, safe mission, even though it was raining. So, I'm proud of me, because that was definitely a challenge. Huh? Yeah. I didn't have too much trouble with my windshield this time.
I need to get some. You have Windex?
Rain-X? Yeah. Yeah, I was concerned about that when we left the restaurant. That seemed to be okay. I had more trouble with my visor being foggy than I did my windshield. What's happening, YouTube? You're watching Steel City MotoVlogs. I'm Derrick T, your host, and this is the second part of our Friday that we spent in Norfolk, Virginia. We rode down on the Thursday, and so the meet and greet itself didn't actually start until later on in the evening, and you'll see that in the video if you stick around until the end. But during the day, we had plenty of time on our hands. As you saw from the last video, it rained, actually thunderstormed quite a bit, but it only lasted maybe about an hour and a half, and then the sun came out with a vengeance. And I mean, look at the day. You would think that this was two completely different days, but it's not. We got a chance to get out and do some touring around the city, and we also got a chance to stop at a local store and motorcycle dealership. So check out what we did here. You'll also notice that I did some lead in the pack again during this video as well, which was something I wasn't used to. I had also decided to get out of the Motovlog helmet and get some wind in my face too, so that's why you see the different helmet. Y'all stumbled across a familiar spot, Cycle Gear, down here in Norfolk, and yeah, we just went in there. I got a couple little things, including this new pair of shades, and a piece for my ram mount that kind of came off too. And there's Morris's Goldwing over there. You notice everybody else parked over there, where Morris parked right here, because that's how he gets down. All right, we're headed into, this is a Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki dealership. This ought to be interesting. Let's go in here and take a look at what they got. I like this helmet.
See, I said the wrong thing, man.
I really like the color scheme on it. I'm partial to Bell helmets. This is actually the Bell helmet that I have. I guess this whole wall is Bell helmets. Alrighty.
That matches the bike.
Go ahead and throw that on so I can blackmail you.
Wait, is it my sign? I don't know if it's gonna get on my head.
Take it outside in the light real quick.
Brian, he said take it outside.
Take it outside in the light real quick. Let it.
I don't think this is gonna get on my head.
Watch your glasses.
Yeah, this ain't gonna work. I can tell right now it ain't gonna work. But anyway, you can use your imagination.
You look like an episode of Spaceballs.
Spaceballs.
I remember that movie.
Yeah. Yeah. That's
All right.
That's all right. Yeah. Yeah, that's the rocket.
What's that? A Kawasaki Vulcan.
Yeah.
No, I'm talking about this one.
And a Triumph.
2300 cc.
25.
25 now.
Ooh.
It's stepped up.
Sheesh.
Slightly more powerful than your scooter.
Yeah, it's 2500 cc. That's 3-cylinder inline. It's like a car. It's like a little car motor. That's scary.
2,500 cc's, huh?
2500 cc.
Jeez.
That is scary. Only thing I don't like about these is that compared to the older ones, they made them look more sporty. Like the other ones look like a big cruiser.
Yeah.
They got more of a. I mean, yeah, I guess it's whatever.
You don't have no like Voyagers.
We had
Racers,
4
do you?
of them. We sold them all last week. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, the bike won't sell for 2 years, and then in 1 week
It gets hot.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the only bagger we carry anymore. Is the Vaquero or the Voyager.
Okay.
So with the Triumph, y'all don't have like the America. Or
They don't make it anymore.
Oh, they don't?
got out of that line. Yeah. They weren't selling well enough, so they pared down the line.
Okay.
Both sides. It's all right.
It usually does.
Don't take it easy. All right, Dave.
Or you can get an assortment, a kit. There's certain like different sizes of ROM. Yeah.
Hey, y'all. One of these days, y'all, Steel City MotoVlogs is going to have a Wave Runner edition. This is my second love. I'm gonna have to make this dream a reality one day. All right, y'all, we're leaving out from Cycle Gear. We're gonna head over to Walmart and get a few snacks and take it back to the house for a little bit. They want me to lead it, but they just got done talking about how I was going too fast last time. At Steel City MotoVlogs, we ride the speed limit. And within the confines of the law. So I don't know what they were talking about. See that green Walmart sign right there? Is that it?
It looks like one, yeah.
The GPS says to turn around and go back that way.
That's Walmart right there.
That says Walmart. Unless it's something different. I mean, I don't know of a different
Let's
Walmart.
try it. We gotta turn around anyway. We turn around up there.
You just make a right, I mean a left, and go make a right into that parking lot. Why would the GPS tell me it was 2 miles away? It's a Walmart right here. All right, y'all, it's Saturday evening, and the festivities for this meet and greet started at 7 o'clock. It's about 7:30 right now, so we're on our way to make our fashionable entrance, and we'll see what this meet and greet is all about. I've never been down here before. I've never been to this event before, I should say, so. I got you on camera. You know why he missed that, right?
What?
You know why he missed that, right?
Why what? What?
Oh, you heard that. All right, back at it. We've seen a little bit of everything today. We've seen thunderstorms today. We've seen hot, humid weather, and now a beautiful sunset going into the evening. It's not as hot as it was, but it definitely is not cold either. This is like perfect riding weather. We just got done grilling up some steaks at the house. We ate real good. Good fellowship. Been really having a good time down this way, away from home, doing something abnormal. Living life outside of the norm. Sometimes it's hard to see with that sunset like that. Even with a tinted shield. All right. Hey, y'all. You know something? I feel kind of, I'm not going to say strange, but definitely different. I got a chance to test drive Q's GL 1800, and let me tell you, it's definitely a different machine than this one here. I feel like I cheated on her a little bit. No. I don't let people cut us like that. You knew you needed to be in that lane a long time ago. I don't feel sorry for you. The cars have kind of been breaking our ranks almost all day today. I don't allow it to happen if it's avoidable. Look at my brother leaning into that curve. If I had to venture a guess, I'd say they're on their way to the same place we're on our way to. Look at the Navy ship over there. Man, that thing is amazing. All right, we're here. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Look at that trailer in Can-Am. Oh yeah. That
the biggest boat I've ever seen in my life.
That's the USS New York, people.
USS New York.
The USS New York.
Naval Station Norfolk.
Naval Station Norfolk. You heard it here.
You heard it here first.
You heard it here first.
Oh man. Hey y'all, take a look at these ships, man. This is ridiculous. Look at how amazing that is. I'm into stuff like this, so I've never really gotten a chance to see these military style ships up close and personal like this, but I'm 100% blown away.
I don't know. I can't tell if that shit behind it is an aircraft carrier or not. That's what I'm trying to figure out. But man, I mean, that's pretty amazing. And definitely not in the scope of what I consider to be normal at all, man. Y'all get out and do something that's not normal. I'm gonna keep on saying it. I'm gonna keep on saying it. Get out and do something that's not normal.